In this recording, I'll give you a brief overview of HeyPros' new Workflow View functionality. You can access the Workflow View by hovering over Workflow View in this little navigation and clicking Workflow View. It will take you into a Kanban-style project management board. From here, you'll see that I have a number of columns, and I have work orders assigned to these columns. There are also labels attached to my work orders. To add columns to your workflow view, we click Edit Columns, and it's going to give you a little plus symbol when clicked. New label allows you to create a new column label. We can assign a color to our column, and we can also give it a name. If necessary, we can write a description as well, and click Create. Once we're done adding or editing our columns in our workflow view, we click Done. You'll see that you're able to click and drag work orders between the columns within the workflow view. In order to make additional edits, we can click here again where it says the name of our workflow, and we can create a completely brand new workflow. This might be useful if you have multiple locations, such as we do in our example here, and want to have a separate workflow for each of your locations. You can make edits to an existing workflow by clicking Edit Workflow. It'll allow you to change the name and the location or group that that workflow is assigned to, as well as set that workflow as your default workflow. You're also able to manage labels from this screen by clicking Manage Labels. You'll see that we've created a few example labels already, such as Behind Schedule, On Track, Keys Given. If we want to create a new label, we just click New Label in the top right-hand corner here. We can assign a color to our label. We can name it, and we can give it a description as necessary. When we're done, we'll click Create. To add a label to a workflow, we simply click on it, and then click Add Labels, and select the label from the ones we have already created. You'll also notice that within the workflow view that we're able to click View Work Order to open up a more detailed view of our work order. We can make a schedule change if the job has not been sold yet, and we can also cancel the work order from here as well. You'll also see that you have the ability to mix two work orders by clicking the little Edit button here. It'll take you back into the detailed view of the work order for you to be able to make edits as necessary. When you're done, you'll click Save Changes. You'll also see that you're able to create a completely new work order from this screen as well by clicking the plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner and then creating a work order as you normally would.